Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install and use ChatGPT on the Google Sheets. So if you want to upgrade your workflow in the Google Sheets, you can use ChatGPT. And what you need to do first is add the ChatGPT to the Google Sheets by going to the extension in here. Go to the add-ons and tap on get add-ons. So now the Google Workspace Marketplace will be open. Now you can just search for the apps. You can just use the GPT as the keyword and you'll see the GPT for Sheets and Docs. You can click on that and then this will be open. You can click on this GPT for Sheets and Docs. So by installing these apps or these add-ons, you can make ChatGPT and other AI works inbuilt directly in the Google Sheet. You can scroll down first to see the overview. You can see that you can use prompt. For example, you can use the equal GPT and then just write your prompt. For example, write a tagline for an ice cream shop and it will show just like this. You can apply a prompt to thousands of rows just like this, and easy to use bulk tools. You can translate in bulk also, and classify and categorize in bulk, extract. Okay, so these are the benefits when you use this ChatGPT. You can transfer it in bulk, create SEO content and or ads copy at scale, clean and categorize your PIM or CRM, analyze survey results or customer feedback, or review or score a list of leads or candidates, and automate market search. So let's just hit on install. Tap on continue. Now just sign in or choose your Google account. Tap on continue again. Now you can just scroll down and tap on allow. So now it has been installed. You can just tap on done in here and then close this workspace marketplace. Now it will open on the right panel, GPT for Sheets and Docs. Now you can just tap on continue. And here you can see this GPT function and also this bulk tools. So you can custom prompt, translate, categorize, extract, search the web, or prime images. So you can also generate images in here. Click on I understand. Here, if you want to, you can always explore the ChatGPT first. I'm going to just click on this, try quick example. Okay, so this is the examples right here. I'm going to just change the prompt, right? I cannot change it, so let's just click on try this example and see the result. Okay, so you can see it will load like this, and now you can see the result will generate it like this based on what I write. So you can just go back again, and here you can see of list of GPT function. You can see there are lots of things that you can use by using this GPT. So if you don't understand, you can just write this, you can just read this first. You can play this video to see how you can use the ChatGPT. But that's basically it. You can see in here there are lots of tools that you can use, so you can explore. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.